Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing with the Karity palette. It's the all matte 21 shade palette. Um, so we're going in with the Morphe M433 brush, which is just a large blending brush, and I'm using the color Sinful, which is a gray, as my transition shade. And really just blending that in around the crease of my eye and above. A really pretty color, and I'm taking it easy because these are pretty pigmented and I just don't want it to be too dark because I want to do some bright colors in this look. So I'm just not sure how deep I want that to be. Okay, so now I'm going to mix two colors. They are Feign, which is like a seafoam green, and the color Enchant, which is a bright blue. I tried to do it with that original Morphe brush, but it just wasn't really working, so I decided I needed something a little finer, like more of a crease brush. So I'm going in with the Morphe E18. I got these brushes as a set because they are a set of eyeshadow brushes from Morphe, so I'll leave a link below for the set as well as the individual ones that I chose. Okay, so I'm just continuing to build that color. I really want it to be like a light blue mixed with that gray, so it's slightly more grounded, but it's still going to end up being pretty bright. Okay, so continuing with that Morphe brush, and now I'm going in on the outer edge and going straight in with just the color Sinful, or no, just the color Enchant, sorry, and building it up in the crease as well as on the outer edge of my eye because that's where I want the intensity as well as the dark color. So I'm really just building that in, blending it, wiping it away if I go a little bit too low because I do my skin before my eyes. I know that there's like different philosophies and I totally understand both sides. Just for whatever reason, I've always done foundation first. Anyways, okay, so I'm going in with the Younique Cream Shadow Brush, and I am spraying it with Milani's Make It Last setting spray, and then I'm going in with the color Feign, which is that sort of like seafoam green from the Karity matte palette, and really just building that up on the inner portion of the eye. I liked mixing this like blue-green type combo. I just think it's really pretty. It comes off on camera as very much a light blue, but I do think it has definite green to it in the pan. Okay, so then I'm going back in with that Morphe E18 brush and buffing a mix of those two colors into my lower lash line. Okay, so I do want something light and shimmery in the inner corner, so I'm going into a different palette. So I'm using the Makeup Geek small crease brush, and then I'm going into the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division palette, and I'm going into the top left color, which has a little bit of a pinky undertone to it, but it's a nice light, like white shimmer color. And I put that onto the inner corner. And now I'm going to go in with eyeliner. This is the NYX Mechanical Eye Pencil in the color Gray. I figured that would just kind of tie the look together. It's not super dark, but I just did it on my upper lash line. And I really think it blended well with the color. And then, of course, I decided to try it on my lower lash line. I tried to put it in the waterline, but it really wasn't working. So then I just sort of smudged it into the lash line and then smudged it out with my finger, and I like the way that that looked. But I don't think this color is like dark enough or really meant for the waterline, so wasn't really working for that, just for the record. Okay, so then I'm curling my lashes with my Uemura eyelash curler, my favorite, and then I'm going in with one thick coat of the Epic Mascara by Younique, which is my favorite mascara. And then lastly, for the lips, I'm using the Karity Liplock lip gloss in the color Milk and Honey, which is a really great, beautiful nude. So thank you guys so much for watching.